In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox assets not loading. To begin, locate the three dots on the right corner and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings section, type DNS. Once it appears in the search results, scroll down until you find the DNS settings and make sure it is enabled. Toggle the switch to activate it. Google Public DNS as your preferred DNS option. Next, search for View Network Connection and select the connection that you are currently using. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, locate and click on Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4 and then click on Properties. Follow the steps provided and make the necessary changes. Once you have finished, click on OK and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.